guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can convert your basic stickers into like neon stickers kind of. So I'm just going to like find like outlines because they're like a little bit better, but you can do this to any of the sticker that you want. I'll like show you both, I guess, with just the outline and without. So let's use this one for the, actually we'll use this one for the without like the outline stickers. Okay, so I have two right now. Let me just adjust this a little bit. So for the non-outline stickers, you're just going to, I'm just going to place it here. You're just going to go to effects and you're going to go to neon outline first, which is under like cartoon if you can't find it, and you're going to place it on top of that like so. And you're also going to want to add in the black and white filter to it as well. Can I not type? Okay, there we go. I don't know why I'm on video transition, sorry about that. Let's just add this in on top of that as well. And then simply go to edge glow and add that on top. So for the like not neon, just add in edge glow to it, like for the outline one, sorry. And then for this one, you're just going to simply add in the color of your choice. I'm just going to apply it to both of them. Go to blend mode and select the linear burn one, and as you can see, there's this neon glow. Again, for this bit right here, since it's already an outline, you're just going to simply add an edge glow. You don't have to add in the black and white and neon. But for the plain sticker, you are just going to want to add that on. If you want it to even look more like neon, you can add in like the black flash effect to it, like that. And you can kind of like adjust the, which one can I adjust? This one, okay. Adjust like the speed of it as well. And yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.